I was in the United States when I get a call from my loyal worker in Jamaica. The compressor man said that he want his money right now or I go run. So I had to book a ticket and fly down the same day. When I show up on the construction site, everybody was gasping for breath. Couldn't believe that I show up. So I have to be asking him, yo, what is going on? What you mean by I go run? I said, Bratty, what is going on? Say, yo, the man them got a powerful tool, man. Ta 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 ta. You see if rocket fly, I lick up on the phone, dust, gravel, everything. I fly away, big rocket bust up like dandy might explode. So I said, wow, dude, really I get the work done. It seemed like we're gonna be on track to get it done. Because we say, yeah man, yo, the machine a work, the machine a beat, the man really got a good tool, a beat the work. So I say, yeah man, love them vibes, yeah. So guys, so let's jump right down into the drama that unfolded in Jamaica while I was in the United States. So me and my wife, we are currently building a little house up in the hills in Jamaica and working very hard to secure a home that, if according to the grace of God, if we live to see a good old age, we can retire, go back home and live out the rest of our life in Jamaica. Like a lot of returning residents, that's what they spend their lives doing, working in foreign countries, going through different weathers, different conditions to try to like saving up their money, sending down their money to their country, not just Jamaica alone, but a lot of countries, so that when the time comes when they have contributed all they can to their adopted home, they can go back home and retire in peace and enjoy the rest of their natural life. So this is what me and my wife we are doing. So we are rebuilding the house up in the mountain. It is located on some super massive rocks, some super solid iron rock. The rocks are super hard. So before I met my wife, when my grandfather started building the house, he let me know that for you to get the house out of foundation, if you're gonna go by digging out foundation, putting in matins and build around the blocks, and to start from the first level, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. You're gonna have to bring in a compressor and it's gonna take up all the money. So I took his advice. He said, what we can do, we can line up the foundation. Down the line, when you start earning bigger money, then you can bring in a compressor or whatever and dig down the rocks, and then you can build blocks, and then you build up underneath the bottom, and you will be good. But as for now, I will recommend you to do this to work in your budget and see how it goes. So we line out the house, we dig the holes, we dig out the holes in the rocks where to put the footing for the columns, so that the first level or the decking can rest upon, and then that decking is where we're gonna build up the blocks to create the first dwelling area, because underneath the bottom, money wise, couldn't afford it at the time. It would cost me too much, and it would eat out all my money that I've allocated, all the material. And the advice that I got was, don't go that route. Go on beam and column, deck off, bill, and then down the line, when you start handle real money, then you can start to deal downstairs. And which was super good advice, guys. In my community, a lot of people are saying that, yo, you are so stupid, you are so dumb, that you are wasting your money. That's such a lame idea. Why are you doing that? But I didn't listen to them. I listened to what my grandfather told me, and now I see where it paid off, because now I am at a place, met my wife, we were able to pool our resources together and get somebody to dig down under some people call it the basement, some call it cellar, dig it down, and we were able to put up 2 rooms, a bathroom, a dining room, a living room, a kitchen, and a laundry room, and a massive veranda that stretches around the building. The advice that my grandfather gave me, it was solid advice, even though a lot of community members, including some of my families, were super adamant against the idea. Even my father didn't like the idea. Bless God, he's dead and gone. May his soul rest in peace. But I'm glad that I listened to my grandfather and what he said that day. I really see the long distant vision that he had, and I was able to listen to what he said, and now it's paying off. So with that, I'm going to couple in what transpired within getting the downstairs ready to build it out so I could put it up for a short-term property rental. So here we go, guys. So this is how it happened. So now we are ready now to dig out underneath the downstairs. So I wasn't down in Jamaica. I had a cousin, loyal cousin that I could depend upon. I called him and I said, yo, bro, see what they're going on now. I think I'm ready now. I am financially stable and ready now to tackle those massive rocks downstairs. And is it possible? I don't know. If you can see if you can get somebody with a compressor so that they can dig it down for me and so that we can start the project running. So he said to me, no problem, Manix. I will check around, see if I can find somebody that have a good machine that is capable of beating those rocks, because the rocks that is underneath your house, they are not soft, they are really hard, and we have to make sure we get a machine that is capable of managing the job. So I said, yeah, I understand. I know what you mean, man. So 2 days later, I got a call from him. He said, yo, Manix, I got somebody. And he said that he can manage the job. So I'm gonna bring him up the following day so that you can talk to him and see where we go from there. So the following day, yeah, I did get a call. He called me by WhatsApp video. So I was able to speak with the gentleman, let him know. We talk. I said, did you see the rocks that we want to cut out? He said, yeah, man, he can manage that, no problem. He can cut through them rock there. So I said, okay. How many days? Like, no, I said, how much per hour do you take for your machine to cut down the rock? He said, it's per hour. I said, okay, let's do a week work, see how you can manage that. He said, okay, you can do it in a week. He said, no problem, okay. Bam, bam, bam. We agree upon that. Let him know, say, guess what? This is the gentleman that is overseeing the work. Anything that you need, talk to him, and he talk to me. Anything that need to be done, I will talk to him, and he will talk to you. He say, okay, no problem, man. Big mistake that I made was letting the guy know that I'm in the United States. Big mistake that I made was letting the guy know that I wasn't in Jamaica. I was in the United States. And the reason why I say this is you gonna see how it plays out as the day goes by in him doing the job. We agree upon the deal and he said, okay, he can get it done, no problem. His machine can manage it. So I said, okay. So I said to my cousin, all right, you satisfied working with this man? He said, yeah, man. I said, okay, let's see if we can work within our budget and work in the time frame, see if we can get this thing done, because I really want to build up downstairs and get this thing off of my head and move on to another project. So I say, okay. So the first day of work, my cousin called me and said, yo, the man in my work, he had me on video call, and man, they did the work. He brought in this big Samson giant Goliath Titan of a looking guy, super massive, big, like sumo wrestler or something. And he had me on video and showed me the man with the machine that while the man was talking to me on the phone, him and the phone a vibrate, machine a blow up rock. You can see the man moving like he's moving while the man a dig up rock. I said, Bratty, what is going on? I said, yo, the man them got a powerful tool, man. You see rock a fly, a lick up on the phone, dust, gravel, everything a fly away, big rock a bust up like dandy might explode. So I said, wow, dude, really I get the work done. It seemed like we're gonna be on track to get it done. cousin say, yeah man, yo, the machine a work. The machine a beat. He still got the phone pan the man, ta 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 ta. The man was so big. The man was so big. The jackhammer was like a GoPro in his hand. Ta 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 ta. Rocker blow. The cousin said, man, it feel like a earthquake the way the man a beat the machine. I said, blows and skirt. The man really got a good tool and beat the work. So I say, yeah man, love them vibes, yeah. Second day, cousin called me again and say, yo, the bigger piece of rock way up underneath the house bottom. I say, yo, I did say to him, say, I don't think you're going to be able to do that, cause that piece of rock there, cause that piece of rock there look like the rock of Gibraltar. You think say man can manage that? Second day, the man go on there. The man saying did the man thing say a TNT they set off underneath the house. Da 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 da. The man in the beat down rock. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Rocker beat out from under the ground. He said him did the beat, him a push out, him a beat, him a push out. He said he put stuff on the man beat down in the 2 days and couldn't believe. He said, yo, this man you really I go mats off the work real quick. So I say, all right, we love the vibes. You can see why they go, you can see how it progress. 3rd day now, my cousin called me and say, yo man, it's something I go on, So I say, what you mean something I go on? He said the man there they work from morning and it's like me I pick up a vibe like say, yo, either something happened to the machine or the man turn down the machine. So this is where they oversee me, make him know that I live in overseas. They go coupling with the work slow down now. And this is how I'm going to explain to you guys why I made a mistake of letting this guy know that I was overseas. Here we go. 3rd day, cousin called me in the evening and said, yo, Manix, they look like the work slow down, dog. So I mean the work slow down. But the man might perform for the first 2 days. He said, yeah, they will not perform, but things slow down. It's like the amount of work what we get done to the first day. The work slow down and we don't know what they go on. So we them say, make you know, say, yo, it seems as if this man catch on something and I'm going to watch him. Instead of watching the 4th day. 1st day was good, 2nd day was good, 3rd day look like, say, something they got turn out bad. So I say, okay, keep me updated. The 4th day now, he call me again, waste time, call me in the morning and say, yo, the work slow down, man, it's something I go on. We call the man there. And the jackhammer man, this did the go say, I know. So him go, not that's first time. And he say, no, it look like something wrong with the machine. So him say, when the boss come, he said to the boss, yo, what they go on with the machine? The machine now beat the rock as how it was beating it for the first 2 days. The 3rd day, which is part something like the machine, either something wrong with the machine, either your man sick, or you turn down the machine. So the man flew up and go, me turn on the machine. Yo, me know say a long time you don't watch me, Cause the first 2 days me realize you tell me, say this you want done, you want that for done, and you pressure me, and you pressure me worker. Yo, me not work for no taskmaster, Cause me don't know where your boss get you from, the oversee work, and you dey talk to we like say, we a boy like say, you think say we dey come here to rob the boss or for waste time or for stretch out work. Me no say this to offend you, but the first 2 days you perform good. The 3rd day the work slow down. And today at the 4th day and you and the boss agree for 1 week. Based off of how you perform now, the work they go over the 1 week. And that you and the boss agree upon. So him start cuss off the man now. Tell the man say him want call me, want talk to me cause I run and he want him money and him a go leave off for the hill. And if a man say nothing to say, yo, we don't like how your man are accused. Yo, the man who you ever do the work, him accuse me. They tell me say me turn down machine and the work now get done and ray. So me say, but hold on, man. The first 2 days, you were performing good. The third day, the man say, look like the work slow down. The fourth day, your man, he might dance to the disco. So he reserved the right to say to ask what's going on, because when him look panic the work, they go over 1 week and another that we did agree to. Explain to me what they go on. Yo, me now work with that the man the way you got. This a man a slave master. From the first day me come here, I realize how he ma watch me and he ma write down how many hours we work and how many minutes me work I take for minutes, me work I take for break, what time me come, what time me leave, and he ma jot down how much hours I work me do. And me say me no like them there's something there. So me say, oh you mean you like them there's something there? So if me no have somebody there, they check the books or keep the books. We can't left you if you come, left you for free range and my thing. We don't know you like that. So me have to have somebody who loyal to oversee this stuff, and he's doing what he was told to do. So don't get upset with him, get upset with me, because my experience is that some of you guys just not treat to oversee. When you guys find out, say the person who in the work for oversee, after a while you know change and start the stuff. And I'm not saying say that's what's happening, but I don't want to think that is because you find out that I am overseas is the reason why you are stretching out the work. I don't want to go there, but you are giving me no choice, because right now the work not done. And at the fourth day, so basically now we don't go over 1 week, cost me money, and you they go make money more than what was set aside to get the job done. So no blame the man. Yo boss, send me money, come give me now, me nah do no more work, and me no get me money in blood I go. Say, hold on, the big man, when did violence come in at this? When did violence come in at the work or in at the conversation? We are just talking. We just need to find out what is going on. You guys were performing the first 2 days. The third day, work slow down. The fourth day, things that really slacking, man. What's going on? Because it seems as if the work now go get done for Friday, and you know they'll tell me say we have to go over, which will cost me more money, which we may allocate in the first place to do the job. So you now have to explain to me where do we go from here? You agree upon 1 week, I agree upon 1 week. It seems as if you guys was gonna do the work in the 1 week. But it seemed as if when you heard that I was in the United States, it seemed as if something trigger you have to say, okay, I can get more out of this guy. What's going on? Me want me money now, me want me money now, me want me money now. And if you don't get me money, run. Relax, man. Me say, yo, go get your money. You'll get your money tomorrow. So no problem, you'll get your money tomorrow. So bam, me say, yo, put back the gen on the phone, let me talk to him. Let me kind of see what I'm going with. So me say, cuz, this is it. We don't think so we are going to we don't think we're gonna go any further with this gentleman, because he's now sounding very hostile. We don't want to go there. It doesn't seem as if he wants to do any more work, because he got called out on his folly, because apparently he is stretching out the work to get more money, and he got called out. He got caught in his act and he's not admitting fault. So he's putting up a barrier now where he don't want to take responsibility, but he now want to say we are the one that are at fault. So guess what? Give them some room, see what they go on tomorrow, Friday. Bam, this is it. What me I say to you now, I don't want you say it to nobody. I'm coming into Jamaica tomorrow. Look out for me. Come pick me up at the airport. I'm not even telling my fam coming in. Hey, you alone. When the man them come at work, you tell the man them say, yo, you go pick up some stuff in the city and come pick me up in the airport. I need to see this man and talk to this man. Bam, buy me ticket paper. My wife say, yo, what the good on man is. Me say, yo, me have to go down to Jamaica tomorrow, because the vibes that I'm getting from up in the hills is not a vibe that sound good, because the guy seems as if, because he found out that I'm in the United States, he is stretching out the work to get more money, and it doesn't seem as if he's gonna keep his hand off the deal and getting the work done in 1 week, because half of the work haven't been done yet, and tomorrow is Friday. So I am going to show up on the work, because I need to see this man face to face, eye to eye, and ask him what is going on. Ticket buy, jump on plane, bam, call me Jen, pick me up, show up, everybody start frantic. You see the big giant man, still the big massive Hulk, Titan, Goliath, the man big, the man that beat the hammer, look like I want like a GoPro, and he lean up on it, the hammer, and watch me step in. So I say, yeah, I'm here in a talk to on the phone yesterday, you know. Now, this is my place, this is just a loyal worker. So I don't want you to be put out your blame on him and threaten him. I mean, I the owner, Me and if you talk to me. Well, go on. Talk to me now. I am here. Talk to me. What's going on? Yo, you man up. See, him there they watch we and I write down, look on the wall, which was true. Every hours that them work was on the wall. How many hours, how many break the man take was there, because when you are operating a jackhammer, a compressor, they get paid by the hour, and you supposed to get the amount of work by the amount of hours they do. If the guy take a break, if him take 20 break for the day, the break them I go calculate and then subtract from the working hours them to see if the amount of hours what him I go tell the boss or the amount of hours what the boss say. Him start him turn on the compressor that him forget. You know they go calculate how many breaks the guy take out of those hours for the day, and then you let him know, say, yo, these are the amount of hours that the compressor beat. So you may say you turn on the compressor 7 o'clock this morning and you come 6 o'clock this evening and say, that the amount of hours your compressor beat, when your man in fact take, go down a shop, go buy cigarette 5 times, go down a shop, go buy food, go at the bathroom 20 times, sit down for rest 20 times and everything. So he probably took 2 hour break time out of the how much hour what you same work. He was putting everything on the wall, not in books on the wall. So when the man come, him can sit and doing calculation. And then me get the bill to say, okay, this is the amount. The hours what the man, the gear, will operate the machine. This is the hour that the guy works. So now you do the maths and do the calculation, and then you make him know, say, this is the amount of hours that I got for my job. This is the amount of work that he did for me, not the amount of work that you turn on your machine. This is the amount of work that I got. So this is it. So I said to him, so is that what you're worrying about? The amount of hours what the guy marked on the wall? But he has to do that, because you're going to say you turn on your machine 6 o'clock this morning and you turn off at 6 o'clock this evening, and then you expect me to pay you for those hours when you turn on your machine, when your worker didn't work non-stop. So I have to subtract all of his breaks out of that hours, and then you get paid according to the amount of hours that he worked for me, not the amount of hours that your machine was running. Plain and simple. And I said, no, you know what's the problem? The problem was when you found out that I was in the United States, you changed, man. Because you say to yourself, say, I'm gonna see if I can stretch this work out to get more money. That's the catalyst that changed the narrative from, or the agreement or the deal that we agreed upon for 1 week. When you found out that I was in the United States, you shredded that deal apart and tried to create another deal in the back of your mind. Say that I'm going to see if I can milk this guy as much as I can because he's in the United States. So I turned to his worker and said, boss man, me no know that. Peace me now. If you don't want to kill me, don't kill me. Peace me now. Peace and love. Me no disrespect you. Peace and love they talk about. Realize me no raise my voice by you. Me no disrespect you. Me no hurl no insult or no profanity towards you. But you have been doing this. Why are you doing him like that? Because he's doing something that you don't like. And because he call you out, you don't like it. He call you out by your mischief. I said, no, you got called out and you are upset that you got caught. That's the problem. So I said, turn to the worker and say, yo, what's going on, man? You're a big dude. You can do the work. Let me know what's going on. Boss man, tell you the truth, because I don't want people to take me for criminal, I tell you the truth, and my boss don't upset, The boss, when the first 2 days the boss come and the boss saw how much work that I did, the boss tell me that I need to slow down. That's what he told me. The boss start feeling up, say, yo, puzzle. You can't be see you sell me out like that. What you talk about? Man say, yo, you and the man agree upon a deal. You and the man agree upon a deal, and the man say 1 week, and you say 1 week, and you agree upon it. And when you come the first 2 days, and you see how the worker run, you say, me I do too much work, me fi slow down. And me tell you, say, yo, me want to get the job done and move on to something else. So you tell me, say, no, me fi slow down. And you say, if me no slow down, you go turn down the machine. And that's what you did. You turned down the machine upon the man. And that was disrespectful. Say, boss, you see there, see there. That is the problem. See there. And no blame the man, say, boy, the man a rat you out and the man a rat and the rat a snitch. I say, you are the rat and you are the snitch. Because you know loyal to the contract and you know loyal to the deal. And you start think corruptness in your mind, say media foreign, say they go stretch out the work and milk the work to see if you can get as much money as possible. And I said, look, it's Friday and the work not even half, man. I'm the one that is losing. Not you, man. I have to buy a ticket to come down to talk to you. Losing money again. And the work not done. Because you found out I was in America. And you say, okay, he's not here. I'm going to milk him as much as possible and get as much money as I can. And because the young gen catch up on your folly and call you out and make you know, you get upset, flare up, run. Why your money now? Wasn't necessary, man. You are the one that is at fault. I feel tool. You need have to do that. You're a big man. So, rather than admit to his mistake or admit to his greed, he got super hostile. On the top of his voice, up in the hill, you see birds, they take off out of that tree, like say bomb drop. Want my money now, I'm on the phone, well. Say, calm down, man. You go down the road, turn off the machine, say, nah, I do no more work. You want him money. So me follow behind him. And I say, what's going on, man? No, do more work, more money now. Give me my money now. You know, I make people come out and look for me like I'm a rob you. Cause you are shout. And the man who they shout, and them people are going to listen to. So now, you make people think, say, me a rob you. What go on, man? So he say, nah, do no more work. Say, nah, do no more work. So I said, okay, fine. He come and say, yo, me I go up a yard, you want money? Come up a yard for your money. Say, come up a yard. He say, nah, do no more work. He tell him, man, if you disconnect the hose off of the hammer, and disconnect the hose. He say, so you're serious? So I say, so I me they go lose. The work not done. I me they go lose. I'm shaking, man. I say, thank you for your service and all the best. Here is your money. I'm sorry say you have to end this way. My mistake was to let you know that I was in United States, and I believe that is what caused the chain of events to happen. Won't do it again because some of you Jamaicans cannot be trusted when you hear say the work one you do, the one that they abroad, so you know I rip them off. But it is what it is. My bad, my fault. Take your money. Me not do no more work for you again as long as I live. You know, wicked. That man there, wicked. If me see him nowhere, make a run kind wicked. Say, it's alright, man, you get your money. We don't rob you. We leave. You realize, say, I know we don't rob you, you know. I know we don't rob you. You get your money. Make your conscience be your guide and be your judge. But you get your money. You see I live. Fine. Go on home. Peace go with you. What did I do, man? I was the one. I shouldn't have gone that phone and let him know, say, yo, me on the eye. You see, it's sometimes some stuff that we do can cause a chain of events. When he hear that, he was not able to control himself and say, all right, now go stick to the plan. He come to him mind and say, yo, I can't get more money off of the job. So, me go chip in the plan, turn on the machine. No. He tell the man say to slow down. The man say no, he not slow down. He doing work because the contract that what him agree to. Him say if he not slow down, he might turn on the machine. So he went and turned on his machine. Unbelievable guys. But this is what a lot of them that are doing it. And the first 2 days they were doing it. Rock a burst off like say a dynamite them put in the like them borehole. Put down the dynamite tonight and set it off. Rock up, burst. The genuine beat the work. When the man say, oh father, you know, you blame me like say me do nothing. The man tell me say me to slow down the work because I go too fast and you not gonna make enough money off of it. Then he say no, because you guys agree to a contract. He tell me say when I'm slow down, I'm gonna turn on the air because him say a fee machine, him turn it down. Me work with what I work with. Sorry say I'm boss, but so you go. So me say it's alright, man. Me don't blame you, cause I film tool. I film stuff. You only worker just like how this a man here. He just a worker for me. And I don't know why he might beat up on me worker. If he call him out on him folly. All what you have to do is something make say boy him get catch. And then him pick up at the pace, turn up the gear, and make you can finish the work. That's all that he had to do. But no, pride. He let pride build up in him so much that he could not admit fault. And he tried to blame Me, a worker, the man that was working with me, crazy man, because that is what trigger off everything. The work not done, I'm gonna have to find somebody else, pick up on the work, and then find more money for pay that the man there. Why they do it? Why people are like that, man? Why? We eventually get somebody else to do the work. This time was a honest individual and give it the 100% a year. Man did a beat him rock. They got the place, a cast foundation. We get what we were looking for, satisfied. But the way things start out, man, bad how some people are, man. But guys, if you're living overseas and you're building a house anywhere, not just Jamaica alone, because I don't know about nowhere else. I'm from Jamaica, so that is where I encounter my experience. So my experiences will cause me to talk about where I experienced the experience. That is in Jamaica. I only can talk about where I encounter my experience. Work is coming on the property. It's just to show you sometime when you're living overseas, you encounter some strange characters who within them believing that it is in their right to, when they find out that the person who they're working for is overseas, that they should get more money than what they had agreed upon in the first place. I don't get it. Bad. So, if you get a man to dig down your foundation, and you realize, say, oh, this a worker stretch out, so find out from him, man, say, what? Did you turn on the air upon your compressor, man? Why the worker stretch out? Why the work stretching out? We agree upon this amount of days. Why is it stretching out? They probably turn on the air upon the machine so it can stretch out the work. Yeah, that is what. Not saying that is all of them, because the second person that I got, he did the job, no complaint, he get it done rare. But not everybody is the same. But within the cluster, you will find a bad apple, man. So guys, just be careful, man. You're living overseas and you're doing any project. Just get somebody that is committed to your task, getting the job done. Because the young gen that was there, he stood his own, he stood his ground, because him say, yo, you and the man agree upon a deal, and I'm not gonna sidetrack him or sidetrack the deal, and then I look like I code with you to rob him. So this is what we're working with. If you're not working with it, well, you talk to the boss. So I came down and I talked to him. He didn't budge either. Did not admit that he was wrong. Was instigating hostility. I said, no problem. I'm not a man of war. Here's your money. I will stand the last. You go in peace and I go in peace. And so it work out sometimes, guys. Sometimes you lose to learn. Yeah, but crazy, man. The journey of building a house sometime while living overseas or working overseas is a journey that come with trial and error, and also hit and miss, and also trust issue, and also deal with culprits that seem to believe that whenever they find out that you are not in the country but you overseas working different currency, they are obligated to get as much money as they can off the job. That was my experience, guys. Crazy experience, but it worked out in the end. You know, thank God for the guy that I had doing the job. He no longer reside in Jamaica. He was able to fly out to big up yourself. We'll say, if you're watching the video right now, thank you. If you stand your ground and get the job done, I wish a lot of Jamaicans could find loyal people to stand their ground in making sure that they're committed to the task that was handed to them. Look out for the new video, guys. I'm not telling you what we're going to talk about, but hit that post notification bell, that when I drop the next video, you won't miss it. All right, thanks for tuning in to Manix Robinson TV. Really appreciate it. Thanks for joining the channel, for subscribing, for liking and sharing. Until I see you on the next journey, guys, you have yourself a blessed one.